Someone asked me, why do I say product over talent? I say product over talent because even though you're talented in something, you can hit situations in life like pandemics, COVID-19, where you still are talented, but you can't work and you crippled on what you used to be able to make. And now you have to settle for unemployment. Or some people, unemployment, they're making more money than when they was working. But if you had a product, then it can work for you while you're sleeping. It can actually sell for you. So it's important to have products over talent because you're talented, but your products gonna live out. They're gonna outlive you. They're gonna live longer than you, and that's why I started developing products. I started really working on ideas that could actually help the market, help someone else individually, help another business, help a person, help another trade. And so I came up with my HogOn welding skids and my um, staircases and my shooting targets and the fab box and the upcoming welding booth that I'm about to work on. So my goal is to come up with things that could actually help the market. And this is a example of how beneficial it is to have a welding skid, because once you're done, you can unload it and put it up. It's not bulky. It don't take up a lot of space. You see what I'm saying? And this is actually the prototype. All of these are the prototypes of how I started. And I improve them as I go. And I think that's the goal. You got to start from somewhere, but as you start, you can always improve and make it better. You can always make things better. But if you don't start, how can you make it better? How can you make something that you had as an idea turn into a reality? Like my welding skills. I had to work on them anyway. I had to get things lined out anyway, without things being perfect. And as you go, it get better and better. And every time you build something, every time you fabricate something, you'll come up with a different idea, a better way to line it out, something else to add to it that can make it better, that can save you more money, that can make you more money, that can make it stronger, whatever the situation is. But you have to start from somewhere. And you have to start by having products over talent. Hold on.